On the 22nd of May 2017, the threat level set by the Joint Terrorism Analysis Centre was severe. That meant that a terrorist attack was highly likely. Whilst the threat was not specific to any particular premises, the arena was always a possible target for a terrorist. There had been previous attacks in Paris and Bavaria, which had shown that popular music events such as those held at the arena could be a target. Everybody concerned with security at the arena should have been doing their job in the knowledge that a terrorist attack might occur on that night. They weren't. No one believed it could happen to them. The threat level had been that severe for a period in excess of 2.5 years, and it is difficult to maintain a level of preparedness over a long period. That is not a criticism of the threat level. While the threat was high, the level needed to be at severe. It was the responsibility of managers to ensure that the message that the threat level was severe was refreshed in such a way that people did not become complacent about it. The essential message is that all employees need to be on the lookout for suspicious behaviour, which when they see it, they should report to their relevant supervisor. Employees must know how to identify suspicious behaviour, be encouraged to report it, and not feel that they may be criticised if it turns out to be a false alarm. Further, there was insufficient sharing of information between those people concerned with security at the arena. Another recurring theme in this inquiry is the need to efficiently share information with partners and neighbours. The effect of this will be to greatly increase the efficacy of the response. I will now briefly say something about recommendations that I have made in my report. I have made a number of recommendations which, if accepted, will, I hope, bring about changes which will make a further attack less likely. Central to my recommendations has been consideration of a protect duty. The idea of a protect duty has been around for some time, but it has been given new impetus by the hard work of Figan Murray, whose son was one of the victims of this outrage. A government consultation is ongoing, and people need to understand how important a protect duty will be if introduced, and the wide range of people who will be affected by the proposal. I would encourage people to participate in the consultation if they have not already done so. There is limited time to respond. The consultation ends on the 2nd of July of this year. I have concentrated on considering a protect duty for large premises, such as the arena. I fully support the introduction of such a duty. I have not dealt with the other categories of a protect duty proposed by the government because I have not heard evidence relating to them and very different issues arise. In relation to premises like the arena, I have recommended that the requirements of the duty are stringent. There seems to me to be no reason why large commercial organisations should not take all reasonable precautions to protect their customers from a terrorist attack. There will be different views as to how stringent the duty should be, and ultimately it is for Parliament representing the public to decide the appropriate proportionate level. Having heard about the effect of the deaths of the 22 people who died on their families and friends and the effect on those left permanently injured, I consider that a rigorous duty is appropriate. I hope that the consultation will lead to a lively debate on what is an important matter and that it will be possible for it to be passed into law quickly.